So this is Dr. Kavita Nisar, who is a radiologist in Sion Hospital. So, Doctor, why don't you give us a brief of your career and where did you study and what is your main motivation to be a radiologist?
Okay, so during our time, we didn't have much of a choice. It was either medicine or engineering. We didn't have the kind of options that you have now. So I wasn't very good in maths and physics. So the best option for me was medicine. So that's the reason I chose it. And after choosing it, I think I really enjoyed studying medicine. And the reason for taking up radiology was because I really didn't want to do a surgical line. So the best option for me then was radiology.
All right. So, how do you think technology will change the way you work over the next 10 years being a radiologist?
Okay, yeah. So with CT scans and MRIs, what you can do is you can do remote reporting. So if the patient is scanned anywhere in the world, they can send you the scans and you can report from anywhere in the world. So that's how technology is helping us. And we do need machines. I mean, the ultrasound machines are also improving every year. I mean, you have new things coming up. The quality of the machine and the efficiency of the machine improves, so your diagnostic ability improves. So that's how it's helping us.
All right. Thank you, Dr. Kavita. Thank you for your time.
Okay, thanks. So do you want to talk to Devang right now?
Yeah.